Alright, hold on. Hold on, I need more light on the subject. Hello? Hold on, let me put y'all over here actually. Today, hold on. Wait. Today, I have an unboxing for y'all. Okay, I'm excited. I'm excited for this one. It fucking works! It fucking works! Wait, are you doing a YouTube? I need scissors or something.
Okay, bro, now you're ruining the suspense.
I just ruined the whole fuck it. Fuck the box. Fuck the box.
Damn, nigga, that's a lot of love. Alright.
Alright, hold on. Oh, wait, I didn't even do the. Okay, hold on.
We didn't even do the fucking intro, man.
Bro, no. Look. So, today I'm gonna be unboxing the Video Micro. The Rode Video Micro. Feel me? It's supposed to be a good mic. I don't have a mic on this camera right now. We're gonna do a sound test. This is everything that comes in the box right here. The box is completely empty. Okay. We got it. I don't know. I'm so excited for this. Hold on. Okay. I took off the little topper. Feel me? Now we got the mic with a little. What are these called? A dead cat? Dead. What are these called? It comes off. I'm sure of it. I don't want to rip it off. I'm scared. Oh, it doesn't just come off. Okay. I lied. Okay, it does just come off. So this is the mic right here. Huh? And you can just pull this off, push it back on, like so.
Wonky slime.
It comes with this this thing that you're not supposed to eat. I honestly wonder why they would make that for this. Maybe probably to keep this dry. Okay. We have the little stand. I'm not reading the instructions by the way, if you couldn't tell. So this is what plugs it into the camera. These are the instructions that I'm most definitely not going to use. Okay. So what I'm assuming is you take this and you open it up and you clamp it onto here, like so, and then take this cord and put it on top of my camera. I'm actually gonna film the process of that. So, hold on, wait a minute, hold on. All right, we're switching camera angles. So, how's the lighting?
That's good, you know.
But look in the camera.
Yeah, I am looking in the camera.
Okay.
What do you think I was talking about?
Right. So this little piece on the bottom of this stand, slide it in right here, I believe. Oh, hold on, wait a minute. We're professionals in this side.
We are professionals.
Okay, slide it in like so. I think I'm going to have to make this a little more higher, like there. No? Why is it not like sturdy? It's a little annoying. Actually, I think it's supposed to be like that. Anyways, take this little plug here, plug it in right there. Where's my other plug? Imagine I don't have one.
Dude,
No,
that'd be terrible.
It's definitely right here on the side. It's not right there on the side.
Boring!
Little technical difficulties. Oh. Come on, man. Try here.
Stupido.
Try here, man. Alright. Plug it in. And I think we should have. Alright. Here we go. Oh, testing. Testing. We are testing. We are officially sound testing. And it is now, we're testing. I can't set up my tripod on top of my laptop.
And you keep saying testing.
We're testing.
We're
Testing. How's it sound? I want to know how it sounds, but I don't know. Maybe little wind check. Hold on, ready?
Wind.
Yeah, that's what the
Earth.
thing on top is.
Fire. Water. Air.
How bad does that sound? Am I destroying people's eardrums or no?
I mean, you're gonna have to check.
There's only one way to find out. Well, that's my unboxing. I got a new mic and the quality's gonna keep going up and I'm so happy. Just because of a mic.
You should be happy.
Let's go.